Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. On to this video, I will be unboxing this 85 inches TV. It is really big. Here, this box here. Let me just push it so you guys can see. Not the whole thing, but most of it. There, you can't even see all of them. So we used to have the 65 inches TV here, which we use it in our living room. And this is what we're gonna replace it with. So that 65 is gonna go on the workshop, and this is gonna be on the living room, which is humongous. So let me try to open it. So all I'm gonna do right now is just unbox it, because I can't really put this on the TV stand. It's very heavy. So yan, inbox ko lang siya. Then, tapos, hold it. Oh my goodness. It's really hard with all of this stuff here. I guess to make it stronger. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. That black thing. Yeah, that's like the one that holds. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Oh, this is the back. Alright, we just have to be very, very careful. Move it a little bit. The box is really big. All of this protection here. So this is Samsung. I think this is the bottom side. Wow, guys, it's really big. It's overkill for our living room. Okay, we should flip it. Hold on, there's something here. And all of the styrofoam. Yeah. Oh my god.
I don't see any.
There is over here. So it comes with this stand, just a regular stand. So alright guys, that's how it looked. See how big that is. Yeah, I can't really do a proper video, but yeah, that's how it looked. Really big, really big. That's without the stand. Okay, so guys, there it is. We already installed the legs. It's very easy to put in the TV. So ayan, so i-slide mo lang siya under both of them, tapos you're good to go. And then the hardest part is putting it where our TV was. So here, hopefully ito makahandle ng weight nito. So yan, that's the 65. If you can see, like 65 and 85 Wow, the difference is really big. So, there it is, guys. Ayan, so, ayan. Yung regular price ito is 1,312.99. Pero because of our employee discount, so, binayaran lang namin is more than 1,000. Yeah, so, ayan. Diba? Okay, lakad-lakad again. Lakad-lakad again. Tapos, there's no tax. Compare if we bought it from, let's see, Walmart or something like that, my tax. Because we bought it through our work. So, walang tax, diba? Oh. I like this bag here. As you can see, there's a nice texture. Tapos, if you guys want to hang this here, ayan, may hole. May hole siya. Gusto nyong ihang. Pwede din. Yeah. Tapos, or, di ba yung sometimes the stand was on the back, not like this. This came in with a bottom stand, which usually they do come in with. Tapos, pag gusto nyo i-replace or ilagay sa wall, which is, we're planning to do that, but not soon enough, so, but it's okay. So, yan lang guys. So, yan. I'm gonna show it when it's all on the TV console.